Secret wealth attracting secret exposed. They do not want you to see this. If you are watching this video, the universe has chosen you. A rogue government scientist is exposing a secret experiment about wealth attraction. But the website will only be up for a limited time. It's simply too dangerous to leave up any longer than that. The government is already hot on the Spanish scientist's trail. But this hero is risking it all to share this information with the chosen few one last time. So this is an exclusive and extremely rare chance to see how the 1%ers are harnessing the power of their root chakras to attract massive amounts of wealth effortlessly. The shocking part is this modern-day experiment confirms what Eastern spiritual leaders have been teaching for decades. And now you can find out why. But I urge you not to procrastinate on this. The universe is giving you a once-in-a-lifetime shot, and this life-changing opportunity will disappear before you know it. Will you take advantage? Watch the full video in the bio for the leaked info the 1% does not want you to see.